3 is find the two consecutive numbers whose product is 182. So we need to find two consecutive numbers. Let one number is x, other number would be x plus 1. So find the two consecutive numbers. What is the question? Two consecutive numbers whose product is 182. So if we will product them, x to x plus 1, it should be equal to 182. Product means multiplication. So it's x square plus x minus 182, which is equal to 0. So factorize 182. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 is 2. So let's use the quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to minus 182. So using the quadratic formula, what we are going to get is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it's minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4a 182 over 2a. So it's minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 7 2. So it's minus 1 plus minus 7 to 9 over 2. So it's minus 1 plus minus 27 over 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 27 over 2, or x is equal to minus 1 minus 27 over 2. So it's 26 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 is 6. So it's minus 28 over 2. X is equal to minus 1 and 4. So the question was asking about find two consecutive numbers whose product is 182. So it would be, the consecutive numbers would be x is equal to 13 and x is equal to the second number is x plus 1, which is 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. So the consecutive numbers are 13 and 14. The difference between the cubes of two consecutive even integers. So it's saying consecutive. What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means if I have x, then I would have x plus 1. If I have x plus 1, then I will have x plus 2. Consecutive means aage piche. So we have consecutive even numbers. So for even numbers, we are always going to have x and x plus 2. Why? Because if we have 2, then we have 4. If we have 4, then we have 6. The consecutive even numbers is 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8. So it's x and x plus 2 this way. So now we are talking about the difference between the cubes of two consecutive even numbers. First of all, it is saying let the consecutive even numbers are x and x plus 2. Then it is talking about cube, the cube of the consecutive even numbers. So what is this saying? The difference between the cubes of two consecutive even numbers is 296. So they are saying I have two consecutive even numbers. The difference means subtraction and it should be equal to 296. So opening the formula for cube, it's a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b minus 6 cube is equal to 296. So it's x cube plus 8 plus 6x 2 plus x minus 6 cube is equal to 296. So cancelling this is 8 plus 12x plus 6x square minus 296, which is equal to 0. So we have 6x square plus 12x minus 296 plus 8, which is equal to 0. 6x square plus 12x minus 288, which is equal to 0. Taking 6 common, we have x square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0. So it's x square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0 plus x is equal to 0. So it's x square plus 2x minus 48 which is equal to 0. Now doing the factorization if it's possible. Okay, so it's 8 minus 6, so it's x square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 is equal to 0. It's x plus 8 and minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. So it's x plus 8, x minus 6 is equal to 0. So it's x is equal to minus 8, x is equal to 6. So we get the two values of x, that is 6 and minus 8. Now considering the value of 6, the two consecutive even numbers would be 6 and 8, and if it's minus 8, minus 8 plus 2 would be minus 6. So we have the two options for the consecutive even numbers.